How do millions of raw green giants turn into liquid gold? We roast them, crush them, and squeeze out every single drop. This is the ultimate industrial transformation inside a modern super plant. But to understand the true scale, we have to go back to the harvest. Deep in the tropics, the journey of premium oil begins with the humble coconut. Millions of nuts arrive daily at this modern facility. Unloaded by the ton, the raw material is inspected immediately. Gravity feeds the line, ensuring a constant flow. Quality control starts here, rejecting any cracked or damaged fruit. The green giants march toward the first stage of transformation. Inside, the environment is controlled and precise.
Alignment is key for the automated dehusking machines.
The thick outer husk is the first barrier to remove. Operators monitor the feed rate to prevent jams. Hydraulic spiked rollers await the fresh harvest. Steel teeth grip the fibrous skin.
In seconds, the bulk is stripped away.
The husk is separated for fuel or fertilizer. What remains is the core, the nut itself. Thousands of shelled nuts proceed to the splitting line. Inside, the precious water and meat are waiting.
Precision saws are calibrated for the average nut diameter.
Clamps hold the sphere steady for the cut. The blade releases the sterile water instantly. Revealing the pristine white flesh inside. The water is filtered and saved for bottling. The meat must now face the heat.
Surface moisture is blasted away before inspection.
Clean, white, and ready for drying.
Only the purest white meat makes the grade.
The journey to becoming copra requires intense heat. Conveyors transport the load to the upper level kilns. Bins are filled for the batch drying process. Moisture content is currently over 50%. The drying ovens are the heart of the operation. Temperature control is critical to prevent burning. Hot air circulates, pulling moisture from the cells. Hours pass, and the meat begins to shrink. The color shifts as water evaporates. Natural separation occurs as the meat contracts. Constant monitoring ensures a uniform dry. The transformation to Copra is nearly complete.
The oil concentration rises as water leaves.
What was once white flesh is now golden commodity. The cycle finishes, releasing the heat. Out of the oven, ready for extraction. Cooling allows the meat to harden further. The brittle shells now hold the valuable cargo loose, ready for the separation phase.
Proper drying means the meat falls out effortlessly.
Automated tumblers finish the job. Tumbling action separates shell from meat. The shell is discarded, destined for charcoal. Only the pure dried copra remains. Rich in oil, dry to the touch. A river of potential energy.
Safety scans ensure no metal fragments enter.
Moisture is below 6%. Size reduction is the next step. Steel jaws break the cups into chips. Smaller pieces mean more efficient oil extraction.
The copra is now prepped for the press.
Stored in massive silos, waiting for the squeeze.
Sediments to sink.
Clarity is monitored constantly.
High-pressure pumps move the fluid to filtration.
Micron filters polish the oil to transparency.
The result is clear, crude coconut oil.
Ready for bulk storage,
Absorbing impurities at the molecular level. Emerging crystal, clear and odorless. The standard for premium cooking oil. The final destination, the bottle. Thousands of bottles line up for filling. Precise dosing fills every container. Sealed for freshness and safety. Branding is applied in a flash. Ready for the retail shelf. Traceability is laser etched on every unit. Collated for the case packer.
Robotics ensure gentle handling.
The final lift in the factory.
Leaving the blue floors behind.
From tropical palm to global kit.
The journey is complete.
A cycle of nature and industry. This is the art of Copra.